Their big win. Could it be this time? Two of the drones think so. They belong to Marakilian and Campbell. Of course it's Marakilian out in front. Everybody on Rotorama needs to worry about him. Votava and Lemborski are out of the big heat in the grand final. Marakilian's up front. Turner is being troubled by one of the Rotorama drones, but that may have disappeared out of the picture. There are still 4 Quad Force 1 drones in the air. Jakob Toman, though, is not looking like he's going to mix things up. He's spinning a bit. He's got into all sorts of trouble coming through the right lane gates. He's still in the air a bit, but Quad Force 1 are first, second, third and fourth right now. Andy Marakilian is devouring the chicane as he's done again and again and again. Absolutely no problem for him. Chicane number 2 is in pieces as his drone flies around it. He owns this circuit. He will never forget flying here. And this is it for Quad Force 1. And of course, Andy Marakilian is the champion of that race. He gets it for Quad Force 1. Up goes another point on the board as another one comes in for him.